Once upon a time, there was a girl named Scarlett. She was a happy girl. Scarlett was 7 years old. She lived in a small house. The house was in a quiet village. Scarlett had a big family. She had a mother, a father, and 2 brothers. Scarlett loved her family very much. Scarlett's mother's name was Emily. Emily was kind and caring. She had long brown hair. Emily liked to cook. She made delicious meals. Every morning, she made breakfast. Scarlett loved her mother's pancakes. Emily also liked to read books. She read stories to Scarlett every night. Scarlett loved to listen to stories. Scarlett's father's name was John. John was tall and strong. He had short black hair. John worked at a farm. He took care of the animals. Scarlett liked to help her father. They fed the chickens and cows. John was very good at fixing things. He fixed the fence and the barn. Scarlett's father was very hard-working. Scarlett had a big brother. His name was Tom. Tom was 10 years old. He had brown hair like their mother. Tom liked to play soccer. He played soccer with his friends. Tom was very fast. He was also very kind. Tom helped Scarlett with her homework. Scarlett loved her big brother very much. Scarlett also had a little brother. His name was Max. Max was 3 years old. He had curly black hair like their father. Max liked to play with toys. He had many toys. Scarlett liked to play with Max. They built towers with blocks. Max also liked to draw. He drew pictures with crayons. Scarlett loved her little brother very much. Scarlett's house was small but cozy. There were 3 bedrooms. One for her parents, one for her brothers, and one for Scarlett. The house had a kitchen, a living room, and a bathroom. There was a garden outside. Scarlett loved the garden. There were many flowers. Scarlett helped her mother water the flowers. There was also a swing in the garden. Scarlett liked to swing high. Every day, Scarlett woke up early. She brushed her teeth and washed her face. Then she went to the kitchen. Her mother made breakfast. After breakfast, Scarlett went to school. She walked to school with her friends. Scarlett liked school. She learned many things. Her favorite subject was art. She loved to draw and paint. After school, Scarlett played with her friends. They played games and had fun. In the evening, Scarlett helped her mother with dinner. They cooked together. After dinner, Scarlett's father told stories. He told stories about animals and farms. Scarlett loved to listen to her father's stories. Before bed, Scarlett read books with her mother. She loved to read fairy tales. Scarlett had many friends. Her best friend was Laura. Laura was 7 years old too. She had blonde hair and blue eyes. Scarlett and Laura played together every day. They liked to play with dolls. They also liked to play hide and seek. Scarlett and Laura were best friends. On weekends, Scarlett spent time with her family. They went to the park. Scarlett liked to play on the swings. Her brothers liked to play too. They played soccer in the park. Scarlett's father also played with them. They had a lot of fun. Sometimes they had picnics. Scarlett loved picnics. They ate sandwiches and fruit. Scarlett's mother made the best sandwiches. At night, they watched movies. Scarlett liked cartoons. Her favorite was about a fairy. The fairy was kind and brave. Scarlett wanted to be like the fairy. She wanted to be kind and brave too. Scarlett had 2 pets. She had a cat and a dog. The cat's name was Whiskers. Whiskers was white and fluffy. Scarlett loved to pet Whiskers. The dog's name was Rover. Rover was big and brown. Scarlett loved to play with Rover. They played fetch in the garden. Scarlett loved her pets very much. Scarlett had big dreams. She wanted to be a teacher. She liked to help her friends with their homework. Scarlett wanted to teach children. She also wanted to travel. Scarlett wanted to see the world. She wanted to visit different countries. Scarlett dreamed of flying in an airplane. She wanted to see the ocean and the mountains. Scarlett had many dreams. Scarlett's birthday was in June. She had a big party. Her friends and family came. They played games and ate cake. Scarlett's mother made a beautiful cake. It had strawberries and cream. Scarlett got many presents. She got a new doll and a book. Scarlett was very happy. She loved her birthday. Scarlett's favorite season was summer. She liked the warm weather. Scarlett and her family went to the beach. They played in the sand. Scarlett built sandcastles. They also swam in the sea. Scarlett loved to swim. In the summer, Scarlett also ate ice cream. Her favorite flavor was chocolate. Scarlett loved summer very much. Scarlett's favorite holiday was Christmas. She loved the decorations. Scarlett helped her mother decorate the tree. They put lights and ornaments on the tree. Scarlett also loved the gifts. She got many presents. Scarlett also loved the food. They had a big dinner. Scarlett's mother made a special meal. They had potatoes and pie. Scarlett loved Christmas very much. Scarlett's school was small. There were many children. Scarlett's teacher was very nice. Her name was Mrs. Green. Mrs. Green taught many subjects. Scarlett liked math and art. She liked to draw and paint. Scarlett also liked to read. She read many books. Scarlett's best friend Laura was in the same class. They sat together and learned together. Scarlett loved school. Scarlett had many toys. She liked to play with dolls. She also liked to play with blocks. Scarlett and her little brother Max built towers. They also liked to play outside. Scarlett liked to ride her bike. She had a red bike. Scarlett also liked to jump rope. She played many games. Scarlett had a lot of fun. Scarlett's garden was beautiful. There were many flowers. Scarlett's mother planted roses and tulips. Scarlett helped water the flowers. There were also vegetables. They grew carrots, tomatoes, and peas. Scarlett liked to pick the vegetables. They used them to cook dinner. Scarlett loved her garden. Scarlett had many special days. She loved holidays and birthdays. She also loved family trips. They went to the zoo. Scarlett saw many animals. She saw lions, elephants, and monkeys. Scarlett loved the monkeys. They were funny. Scarlett also liked to go to the farm. She helped her father with the animals. Scarlett loved special days. Scarlett was a happy girl. She loved her family. She loved her friends. Scarlett loved her home and her garden. She loved school and playing games. Scarlett had many dreams. She wanted to be kind and brave. Scarlett's life was full of love and joy. She was a very happy girl. Congratulations! You have successfully completed your English listening practice. You can like the video and subscribe to the channel for new English stories.